Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, 16th January 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 15th, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.34. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have seen a remarkable gain of 22.42% since we first designated BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate just 2 days ago. This equates to an average return of 11.21% per day since its classification as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are expected. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 113.14% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 60.18% to 173.19%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 16.36% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 58.20% and 35.70%. This corresponds to a projected price range between $1.73 to $5.63 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline: Volatile ride for BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Thursday, moving between $3.57 and $4.17. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price gained 22.42% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 16th of January, 2025, rising from $3.39 to $4.15. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 16.81%, with a low of $3.57 and a high of $4.17. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 6.74% during this period. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 35 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 57 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $237,240,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $5.20, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price is 20.19%, or $1.05, below the 52-week high, and 74.26%, or $11.97, below the all-time high reached on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai, trading under the symbol BBA, is experiencing notable momentum as of January 16th, 2025. The stock surged by over 10% today, driven by positive sentiment following the appointment of Kevin McAleenan as CEO. He brings extensive government and business experience to the role, and this leadership change is viewed as a potential catalyst for the company's strategic direction. In addition to the leadership transition, BBAI is benefiting from a growing product portfolio and key partnerships, even amid broader macroeconomic challenges. Positive market trends have also recently supported AI stocks, with easing inflation leading to gains across the Nasdaq and other major indices, further enhancing investor interest in the sector. Analyst upgrades have underscored the stock's potential for significant growth, suggesting it could be well-positioned to exceed last year's performance. The stock's volatility, marked by past declines, highlights the importance of closely monitoring these developments, as they may impact both short-term momentum and long-term valuation. With these factors in play, investors may want to keep a close eye on BBAI's trajectory in the coming weeks, as the combination of strong leadership, favorable market conditions, and an expanding product lineup could lead to sustained upward movement in the stock price over time. Analyst Ratings. On the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade with a hold recommendation. On the 15th of October, 2024, H.C. Wainwright once again gave BBAI a buy grade along with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also classify the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there's a general buy signal reflected in the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support can be expected around $3.46 and $3.29. If the stock drops below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, December 30th, 2024, and the stock has since declined by 13.72%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 65 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 73 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 88 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.67 and $3.38. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this case, BigBear.ai Holdings has support at $3.67. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $3.38 and $3.13. This stock is quite volatile, experiencing significant movements throughout the day, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be of very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 0.6 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 16.81%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 10.16%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This vital metric compares the company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies go through challenging periods, often due to circumstances outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest inadequate profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. The consensus estimates from analysts stand at -5 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $4.21. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering an investment. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to evaluate for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings faces its first support level at $3.67. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of January, 2025, Long Amanda executed an insider sale of 66,140 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of January, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond completed an insider sale of 2,067 shares of common stock. On the 31st of December, 2024, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted another insider sale of 1,033 shares of common stock. On the 31st of December, 2024, Blankenship Carolyn executed an insider sale of 1,411 shares of common stock. On the 31st of December, 2024, Peffer Julie completed an insider sale of 3,001 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 92.597. Overall, insiders purchased 3,911,463 shares and sold 104,294,135 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.90, reflecting a decrease of 5.92%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, resulting in significant risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings presents several positive indicators and is currently experiencing a robust upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a favorable option at these levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy for this stock since our last evaluation. However, after reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 17th of January, we expect BigBear.ai Holdings to open down approximately 18 cents, starting the day at $3.96. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.